Why does the U.S. support Israel? It's a question that many ask around the world. While the two nations are far apart geographically, their relationship is close and complex. Let's start by seeing where they are located on the map. Here's the United States on the left, and here's Israel on the right. Though separated by thousands of kilometers, they are strongly connected through politics, defense, and diplomacy. In 1948, the State of Israel was born. Just 3 years after the horrors of the Holocaust, the international community, especially the United States, supported the idea of a Jewish homeland. President Truman officially recognized Israel just 11 minutes after its declaration. This moment marked the beginning of a unique alliance that continues to shape global politics. Israel was surrounded by hostile neighbors. From the moment of its founding, Israel faced immediate attacks from multiple Arab countries. These regional tensions pushed the new state to focus on security and military alliances. The U.S., seeing a strategic partner in a volatile region, began offering support to help Israel survive. A friendship built on shared values. Both nations identify strongly with democracy, freedom, and a sense of national identity shaped by history. These shared values have strengthened the U.S.-Israel relationship, making it more than just strategic. It's also ideological. Ongoing U.S. military and financial support. Since the late 1970s, the United States has provided Israel with over $150 billion in assistance. Most of this support goes to military equipment and defense systems, helping Israel maintain a qualitative military edge over its neighbors. This financial commitment reflects not just strategic interest, but also long-term trust, as well as shared goals in terms of security and regional influence. Military collaboration at all levels. The U.S. and Israel work closely in military planning, conduct joint exercises, and constantly share intelligence. American equipment is stored in Israel for fast access during emergencies. Their alliance is built on readiness, trust, and strategic cooperation across many levels. Support from U.S. Congress is bipartisan. Regardless of who is in power, Democrats or Republicans, there has been steady support for Israel. Over the decades, Congress has passed numerous aid packages and resolutions reaffirming the alliance. It is one of the rare issues that unites both sides of the political spectrum. Tensions and conflicts continue. For decades, Israel has faced complex conflicts with Palestinian groups and neighboring countries. Armed groups like Hamas, Hezbollah, and Islamic Jihad have led attacks and rocket fire that keep the region unstable. These clashes spark international debates and peace talks that rarely resolve the deeper issues. Despite attempts at ceasefires, violence often erupts, drawing in U.S. diplomatic efforts, military aid, and global pressure to keep the situation under control. Not all Americans agree. Many citizens question the billions sent each year and how these funds could be used domestically. Protests, articles, and political debates highlight concerns about human rights and whether unconditional support truly brings peace. Public opinion remains divided, influencing politicians and shaping how future aid is justified. Presidents shape the relationship. Over the years, different U.S. presidents have taken unique approaches toward Israel, some strengthening ties with increased aid and weapons sales, others pushing harder for peace negotiations with the Palestinians. These shifts show how U.S. foreign policy can change dramatically, yet the core alliance with Israel remains one of Washington's most enduring commitments in the Middle East. Trade and technology ties grow. Beyond defense, the U.S. and Israel are major partners in technology, cybersecurity, medicine, and agriculture. Billions of dollars flow between both nations in trade and investment, creating jobs, research breakthroughs, and innovation that impact industries worldwide. These economic ties make the relationship more than just military. It's also about shared prosperity. Now you know. The U.S.-Israel alliance is built on history, strategy, and shared values, but it's also filled with debates, conflicts, and evolving public opinion. Understanding this connection helps us see how global politics, money, and diplomacy shape the world we live in. Stay curious and keep learning with Edunaut.